Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, we meet again in this occasion, in this meeting. Yeah, we are going to discuss about the assignment, the task that had been given. Yeah, previously related with movie. Yeah, you have watched the movie. Yeah, entitled Tarazamen Par. Yeah, like stars on here to the movie that consists of learning disorder, language disorder. Yeah. So we will want to discuss about a psycholinguistic analysis, yeah, of a dyslexic characters in Tarazamin Par movie. So we'll focus on the characters, then about the scope of the topic related with the communication science, yeah, which is dyslexia. Yeah, we have three kinds of questions previously. Yeah. The first, yeah, is about describe learning difficulties or problems faced by Ihsan in the movie. We know the main character is Ihsan. So we need to discuss after watching the movie, we need to know what learning difficulties or problem faced by the main character, Ihsan. Then we need to relate it with psycholinguistic disorder. Of course, it's related with psycholinguistic related with language and psychology. Yeah, linguistic and psychology. It is very important in the communication about someone's psychology. Yeah, and then someone language competency. Then the second one, we have a questions related with what kinds of treatment that he got to overcome the learning difficulty, yeah, and to recover from the dyslexia symptom. So we comes into the solutions for the second questions, yeah. Then as the next level, we need to be yeah, have critical thinking related with the phenomena happens, yeah. Then we compare. What do you think about the previous teacher's treatment to Ihsan compared with Mr. Nikam, yeah, the new teacher treatment to Ihsan? So we have three questions. I'm sure that you have done it. It is for your sake of learning, of course. This is not for me, but for you, yeah. You need to follow this activity to get the experience in analyzing, yeah, a topic related with communication disorder. First, yeah, our discussion is about what learning difficulties or problem faced by Iksan and what is the relation with psychological sorry, what is the relation with psycholinguistic disorder? Yeah, we know, we see from Ihsan learning problems. Yeah, from the first scene, it shows that Ihsan has these learning problems. Some students, yeah, mostly laugh. Even the teacher laugh at Ihsan. Yeah, Ihsan has the different word, different focus. Yeah, it is characteristic, right? But we need to know from the other point of view. This is not because Ihsan is stupid, but this is his specialty. Yeah, we need to guide him. Yeah, so talk about what is the problem. Ihsan has learning problem. Then it come into learning disability. Yeah, and cause the language disorder. Its name is dyslexia. So learning disabilities as common terms for a variety of learning problems. This is not about motivation or intelligence. This is about what that's one, yeah. Once again, Ihsan is not lazy or dumb. This is not about intelligence and motivation. This is about uniqueness. So we need to see the point of view, right? Then linguistically, language disorder is inability in acquiring and processing linguistic information. Yeah, here, yeah, they conclude two failures, both acquiring and processing the information. Ya, so acquire itu penerimaan, ya, and the processing, the acquiring and the processing the information. Failure, failed, gagal. Mempengaruhi apa? Which can influence his basic language skills, karena penerimaannya dan pemrosesan berbahasanya itu bermasalah, ada kegagalan, maka mempengaruhi, ya, influence his basic language skills while communicating with interlocutors. Yeah, what is interlocutors? Interlocutors is the speaker and the listeners. Yeah, that's you need to know in communication. Yeah, so there is a barrier, there is a problem with this student. He has a uniqueness related with acquiring and processing. Then this language skill problems, yeah, are influenced from the failure of acquiring and processing. Yeah, specifically called dyslexia. Dyslexia come originally from Greek word, yeah, dis mean lack of or difficult, yeah, and lexia plus lexia or lexicon means pertaining the words, yeah, as the language student, communication student, we need to know about lexical, yeah, words. So here dyslexia is a specific learning disability in which reading often influence also spelling. Karena bermasalah, misalnya beh jadi beh gitu kan, jadi membaca beh jadi beh dan sebagainya, ya, it's like in a mirror. If you watch the movie, ya, Ihsan said the words are dancing. Nah, as a good learners, as a good communication students, later on as a good teacher, we need to pay attention, be calm. Oh, he is not stupid, he has this dyslexia problem, ya, ya, influence the spelling, ya, makanya karena bingung membedakannya beh and beh, ya, the spelling can be difficult. And also of course in reading, ya, dia bilang the words are dancing, karena di dalam otaknya itu ada pencerminan dan bermasalah. Beh jadi beh, M, W and extra. Yeah, so we will not laugh at him or her later on, yeah, someone who suffer this dyslexia. Then another information that dyslexia, this disorder, is happen because of visual and auditory impairment. Yeah, based on Hornsby, this is the core of reference, yeah, concludes that there is a close connection between reading and writing, because when children study how to read, they also study how to write what they read. Jadi permasalahan menulis itu pertama-tama dari reading, dari penerimaan, receptive skill. Then it influence the productive skill, the writing. Jadi it influence each other, it's relate each other. So we need to know the core of the problem. This is because of the impairment of visual and auditory. Then the second, what kind of treatment? This is the solution, yeah, that he got to overcome the learning difficulty and moreover to recover from dyslexia symptoms. Yeah, this is based on the movie, yeah, because there are several ways, but based on the movie, it used, yeah, the treatment is Gillingham and Stillman. If you find the reference, yeah, about that method used, yeah, from the movie using Gillingham and Stillman, improved the method in learning concept for dyslexic student, dyslexic children. So improving the method, tidak menyalah, do not blaming on the student, do not stay on the strict method, ya, kalau ini semua baik dyslexic student or normal student will be the same. No, it has specific, ya, used in the movie for exam. Apa itu? Nah, we can talk about the movie analysis. The first step based on Gillingham, ya, method, Ihsan is told and given explanation by Mr. Nikam, ya, if you watch the movie, about his writing mistakes in his book. Jadi pertama, ya, telling the mistakes, ya, Harus sabar, be patient ya. Told and given explanation about the mistakes. After knowing and understanding the first step ya, then the second step Mr. write the letter. Misalnya A and B in the sandbox. Unique method ya, specific, different. Kenapa? Karena ada impairment, jadi harus dirangsang, can be triggered by something that quite unique, by touching through the sun, ya, produce the sound and the word is followed by Iksan, and this is using phonic directly ya. Tapi karena ini spesial, this is special approach to the dyslexic student, so using the sandbox and draw or write the letter on the sandbox ya, slowly ya. The third step, selain itu dia dilatih apa? Mr. Nikam trains Ihsan the characteristic of alphabet by sense of touching. Selain sandbox dia pakai sense of touching on the Ihsan skin, Ihsan body ya gitu. That's alphabet. Ini using phonic directly ya. Phonic mau pakai pasir, mau pakai ya touching on the sun, sandbox or on the body of Ihsan skin ya. This is using phonic correctly. Then the fourth step, make writing interesting ya, by oil painting. Jadi grab the attention, not with the normal way, but with the special way, the different approach ya. Ihsan writes similar form of letter which have confused him. Ya, tadi dibingung misalnya H or D and P itu dia menuliskan pakai warna yang menarik, yang banyak, yang besar. Ability to produce sound. Ya. The fifth step using wax. Ya, we know in our surroundings ya, it is quite popular for children currently ya, using wax. Then the sixth step, writing in the real media. Yeah, after that, yeah, comes into the authentic one for the formal teaching, yeah, of real media. Then the fifth step, move step from the easiest to hardest. Remember, it start from the low level to the high one, higher and higher. Yeah, write on the blackboard. Then and the movie, yeah, write simple sentence in the book. Then after that, write complex sentence. Yeah, that's the step. Yeah, need to be in grading. Then the eighth step, combining reading and listening. Yeah, after writing, yeah, and also listening. Yeah, phonic tadi. Yeah, audio and production. Yeah, we have combining the other one, reading and listening. In that movie, yeah, Mr. Nikam make voice. You know, this is misspelling. Yeah, voice recording of a text reading and used by Ihsan when he reads the same text. Now it is easier ya. Combine visual and auditory perception. Then next one related with mathematics ya. Arithmetic on the blackboard on a big size to a small size. Ya, started from big size means it is started from the low level karena nulis besar itu kan lebih gampang. Lalu kembali nanti yang sulit smaller and smaller. It means higher level ya. Okay, then the other one practices the arithmetic ladder step. Nah, with using another way, fun way, yeah, using the psychomotoric, yeah, with the jumping one, yeah, the arithmetic ladder step. Okay, that's the way. Now comes to the third or the last discussions, yeah. What do you think about the previous teacher treatment? Yeah, to Ihsan compare with Mr. Nikam treatment to Ihsan. We need to know as the communication science student, as a university student, the wise one, yeah, we need to know about this case to avoid, yeah, what the first teacher done to Ihsan. It can demotivate Ihsan or yeah, the other student who have dyslexia. The previous teacher label him as, nah ini nggak boleh ya, we talk lazy. Also as a parent, yeah, we cannot do that. Shameless boy. If you watch the movie, yeah, The previous teacher said like that. And do not care about Ihsan friend's treatment to Ihsan. Yeah, there is a bullying, there is a bad treatment. Yeah, we don't care as a teacher. That's not good. His classmate also, yeah, his classmates mock him and treat him as a class clown because of his mispronunciation. We need to handle this situation from ourselves, from our treatment, then to handle the class, to handle his friends. We should be like that. It doesn't suit with education, with language education, yeah, with the communication principle, yeah, which care about the student's characteristics till their learning problem. Nah, that's why if we compare with Mr. Nikam done this way. Nah, yeah, using the understanding first, yeah, knowing the Ihsan has the first symptoms. Pertama dari symptomsnya dulu. Symptoms, oh, he is unique, he is different. The communication factor are influenced by this and this and this, and then make a treatment. Do not judge people or student here, especially children, lazy, shameless boy, or something like that. Yeah, do not look like that. Now we need to be adaptive, yeah, like Mr. Nikam here. Now, okay, that our discussions related with 3 questions, yeah, related with dyslexia analysis. This is our practice, yeah, while using a movie, but this is not about movie, but this is not the whole learning process related with the communication disorder, related with the dyslexia, yeah, because this is involves difficulty, yeah, in language learning, in communication. No, we need to be flexible, to be adaptive, to be wise to people who suffer with dyslexia. Yeah, usually they have a normal intelligence, or usually have also normal vision, but this impairment is a problem. Yeah, we know some famous actor, actress, famous people in this world that suffer dyslexia, and they are not like what's that fail in the society. Yeah, they are success. They are different because it is like blessing disguise. Ya. Ini seperti berkah dalam ya di balik adanya sebuah kekurangan, ini ada blessing disguise. Ya, biasanya orang-orang yang suffer with dyslexia has a good intelligence, high intelligence. So please mind about that. Okay. My last point, yeah, as a communication students, as a language learner, yeah, we need to be wise. We need to know our competency, yeah. Of course, understanding dyslexia is important. Why? Because later on, if we face this problem in the society, we can treat well. We can treat them well. We can help them to overcome their problem. We can be a balance in the society. Yeah, we can remind our friends that bully them, that makes them up, or that demotivated and extra. Yeah, so this is important. Okay, then you can also learn other language problems, yeah, communication problems, and you can elaborate it from the other references, yeah, for our sake of learning. And later on, it's back to the society. We give back to the society with our knowledge. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this learning. Yeah, goodbye, stay healthy.